A litter of kittens were found on the side road, near the railway by a woman who was passing by. She called the animal rescue team to help them and their mother. When the rescue team appeared, they saw the mama cat was unconscious and almost without life. They checked her and they immediately put her in a cage, along with her babies, and went to the vet. The kittens were scared, and thanks to their meows, the woman could find them. The vet saw the mama cat, and after all the checkup, he said she is in a very bad condition. She was malnourished and dehydrated. They administered her a treatment and some vitamins so she can gain strength. After a few days, she recovered and could eat properly. After 7 days, the vet examined the kittens too. They were healthy and in a very good condition. Now they are all together again, enjoying the warmth and the cozy place they got. Also, the kittens are looking for new families who can love them and take care of them. Thanks for watching.